Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys are fine. I hope I'm live as well. We will straight away went into the charts, try to understand certain levels, how market is performing right now at the moment, how uh, is it possible for the market to be bullish from here, as it's written on my title 98k I'm targeting on. Is it possible from here market could go to 98k? Possibilities there, we will discuss that in today's live stream, and we will also discuss about certain levels on a market on a shorter term time frame as well, 1 minute time frame. Today there was quite a bunch of like aggressive liquidity on a market. At this point it was there after the opening of the bell. Market went up, go down, then went up, then go down, then sideways, then go down. Very difficult to trade this kind of transaction. You probably got stopped out on these kind of transaction. Market usually do. After that market went down from here, and then from here we can see upward side transaction. Right now we're trading inside this big high and this big low. We will see from here market which way it could go, could be bullish, could be bearish, all that as well. Considering that in our mind, we will start today's live stream more for like with a daily time frame. How I am thinking like market could be more for like going down all the way to, could go all the way to 98k from here. And also we'll try to discuss how market has performed today and tomorrow per second as well. So as you guys knew, I have been talking from yesterday quite a while. We have all of those highs, a bunch of liquidities. Market has went toward upper side. This point we was anticipating could be the local bottom on the market. Yes, it is the local bottom. You can say that now. Up till now, it is a local bottom. Seems to me this is a local bottom. Market will not go below this low, should not go below this low. We have all of those highs, which has been, these highs has been knocked, daily highs, and market aggressively gone toward upper side, knock these highs as well. And I believe that there is no as such a resistance on a market while going down. I'm bullish. I'm anticipating market should have to knock all of those highs from here. Within a month or maybe 15 days, maybe next 2 3 weeks, market is going to go aggressively bullish all the way toward upper side. I believe all-time high is coming up. It could go all the way to 128, 130, or 140 as well from here. This is also possible. We cannot deny this. On daily time frame, this is what I am anticipating or expecting from the market to do like that. So right now, this is more of like a bigger picture. Right now, if you consider like that, this is what I was watching on a per second, because this is more of like a bullish structure for me right now. Market is quite bullish on this bullish environment. Market usually did not stop until and unless a major resistance comes into play on a market. From here market could show rejection from. So this is the point of control of the range from here to here, which is round about 96.5 or 96 or maybe 97 or 98k of the range as well. From here point of control, we cannot say exact level because it's a point of control of the range. It could be a little bit up as well, a little bit down as well. So I'm anticipating 96.5 to 98k of the range could be a strong level of resistance. From here I would say that this leg, we market could finish at 98 98k of the range. From here we may anticipate a pullback toward low levels. Market could create low high, then continue its momentum toward upper side as well. So this is what it is. On a bullish trend toward upper side, we usually do not look into shorter term time frame resistances, all of those daily time frame resistances are valid, weekly time frame resistances are more valid, and monthly time frame resistances are more valid. Shorter term time frame resistances 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, not very strong level of resistances, because market is bullish, it will highly probability that market will knock all of those shorter term time frame liquidities, shorter term time frame fair value gaps, all that. It will tends to go to upper side, try to target the major levels on a market. So right now, that's why I'm anticipating 98k of the range from here. Today's per second, if you watch out, market open at this range, come down, knock this weekly high. This was the high I was like aiming for. It could knock this high, and then we'll try this weekly high as well. But it has knocked, left this high not to be knocked. And we have seen that market has just knocked this weekly high, and then we're still bullish. Does not matter that market did not take the previous high, market is not bullish, market is still bullish. If we close at here, they will have a big 1 day daily fair value gap at this range. From here, we will anticipate from the market to hold, could go down to this daily fair value gap, then be bullish, or it is possible that it could keep this fair value gap open as well. That will be great, and then go to upward side. From I'm bullish, looking for the upward levels or upward side for a second from the market, maybe 97 to 98k of the range from here, all the way toward upper side. We will keep an eye on the charts. We will try to understand the market. We will be having a look into the market, considering how it could perform. This is more of like a bigger picture time frame. We have seen that from the market. Now I really wanted to jump into 4 hour time frame, how a market could perform, because we are aiming for 98 if the range, it is possible. This is what I am anticipating. It is not mandatory that market really has to go to 98k from here. It is possible that it could be more of a like, from here it could be make a pullback toward low levels and then be bullish as well from here. But before bullish case scenario, like this is a very aggressively bullish, and I'm anticipating that this leg should finish around about at this range on upper second. Market should have to continue this momentum toward upper side. It will be great if market keep this daily fair value gap today's low. Do not to knock today's low. It keep this fair value gap open, go open, open, go down, and then continue to be bullish to those weekly highs toward, or maybe upper side 98k of the range from here. On 4 hour time frame, we have this is the 4 hour time frame fair value gap market has created. We have this low in a play. This is what this low I this is more, this is today's daily low as well. I'm not anticipating from the market to knock this low. I'm anticipating from the market to go up, hold the area, and go all the way to 96.5k of the range, or maybe 98k of the range as well from here, all the way toward upper side. This is more of a like a thing I am anticipating or expecting from the market to perform. This is a 4 hour time value gap as well. It will be great if market did not go below this low. Could come down to this for upper level of this 4 hour time value gap as well. From here, we will be bullish, looking for the market to go toward upper side. For aggressive price action inverting this 4 hour time value gap, then I would be more of like in concern. Then we can go come down to the major price action toward lower levels, and then be bullish as well. Or we'll watch how it could perform. Same thing, this high daily has not been knocked for a time frame low. Could come down. This area should have to hold. Could come down upper level of the 4 hour time frame. Should not have to knock this low. From here, we bullish. We'll anticipate previous highs to be knocked. Let me go to 1 hour time frame if you watch out, and just very choppy per second. This is the high, this is a low. We're trading inside. From here, it could be bullish, then go down, could go down, then be bullish. Inside a big range we are performing right now, and thing can happen. There's no fair value gaps as well, so we're just watching and observing the charts. It could go 30-minute time frame as well. We have seen that this was bullish for a second toward upper side. From here, market make a retest toward the low levels. Thursday high is there. From here, possible could go down to knock this low Thursday high, then be bullish. Could go to upper side from here to knock all of those highs to this weekly high as well, toward upper side for the bullish case scenario. 15-minute time frame, very choppy, very sideways right now. Market is performing, and if we try to draw a fixed profile, a range, you have point of control and the value high at this range. We will watch and observe the per second how it could perform. All of those highs and weekly high and daily high could be the reason for the market to be bullish going toward upside from here. On 5 minute time frame as well, 15 minute time frame, there's nothing to have a look on. There's nothing to have a look on. This is the 15 minute time frame really gap. You can highlight that one. By the way, let me go to this chart. This is a Binance chart. Sorry, yeah, it's fine. So this is the 1 hour time frame of 15 minute time frame fairly gap we have in play. This is the 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market has inverted this fairly gap, gone up, holding up for level. This is the low we are anticipating from here. Market go from here to go to upper side. This is what it is. I am watching and observing right now. I hope I'm live. This is the thing. Right now, I am thinking about. I hope I'm live. By the way, this is we are anticipating from here. Market. Yeah, I think everything is fine. So this is 15-minute time, 5 minute time frame, and 1 minute time frame. If you watch out straight away, okay, yeah, we don't know which way market could go from here. Could be going up, could be going down. Forgot about everything. Just keep the major highs and the major lows in your mind. So we have these. The major highs is this one. Major low is this one. Market may not knock this low from here. May knock this low from here. After that, short term time frame highs. This is a 15-minute time frame high. This is a 15-minute time frame low as well. This is a 15-minute time frame inversion fairly gap as well. For bullish case scenario, okay, for example, not this high, not this low as well. Okay, for the coming back down to 1 minute time frame for highs and the lows, what could be the reason for the market to be bullish from here? These highs are holding 50 per 15 minute time fairly gap as well. From here, it should have to go up inward these fairly gaps to these highs. Going back inside the range of rejection, we can anticipate this low, maybe this fairly gap as well for the market to if it has to go down. We'll watch and try to observe the price action how it could perform. This is what it is. We are anticipating or watching the price action. And if you watch out, like I really wanted to discuss how market has performed on today's price action. Yeah, everything. It was very volatile. It was aggressively volatile this morning. Not an easy trade, not an easy day as well. I took trade. No, I took two trades. One of initially a stop loss, and the second one was like I. Thankfully, before this volatile aggressive move, before this aggressive volatile move, at this point I was like I was aiming for all of those lows for the downward side, but when it was uh, at this point I went into short at this point. It went down from here. I took most of my profit at this range. Thankfully, I was like aiming for this low and maybe for the lows I was anticipating from. At this point, it left this low, and then I was like, I'll take most of my profit and then put my stop loss at close to the break even, and then went all the way to the upper side. After that, went up all the way to the upper side, went down all the way to the upper side. Was very volatile, and then it went, and then in the eventually it went down from here. Because I was still at this point, I was aiming for those lows to be knocked. At this point, it could fairly gap in there, keep this fairly gap open. This could have been a short to very small amount of short at this point, and then not an ideal short, but it was more of like market after that come back down, down, down. At some point, yeah, you can do that in trading. You have to understand that at some point you have to be very aggressive. This is what it is, the way the skill of trading comes into play. At some point you have to be more of like in concern that you have to be very aggressive taking profit and close the position, exit the market, that's it. And some point you have to be more of like aggressive at taking profit, definitely, and you have to put your stop loss at break even and let go of the trades, let the trades run. You took initial profit, then let the trade run. At this point, the same thing happened today as well. If, for example, you went for a short at this point, come down, take profit, went up to your break even level, then continue go down as well, continue go down as well. These things require courage, I would say that, because you went for short at this point, come back down, market went down, and then it went toward opposite to the your break even. At this point, you will be scared to close your position, or what will happen. Market will be bullish from here, got me stopped out. And that's why trading this kind of environment, you should have to be more of like in uh, concern that you should have a courage if you want to like to hold the trade for some time, for maybe an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. You put your stop loss at break even, and let the market run to any of those hours. It was not an easy session today. Morning session very volatile, and after that market went down. It was very slow, very choppy, but it still went down to low levels. We was aiming for 4 hour time frame or 50% of the range. It went there, and then after that go up, hold this area, knock all of those highs, this high as well. This point we was anticipating that it could knock all of those local highs, not major highs, and then it still went toward upside. But it would have been difficult to buy as well at this point. At any point, it could have hold this area, then go up, continuation toward upside as well. It was possible. Not an easy ideal trading day, not an ideal trading set. Not it was not an ideal trading session as well. Morning session. It was difficult to trade in the volatility, and then going for a short as well requires some courage. From here to buy, it is very aggressively bearish. It has created highs. It should not be aggressively bearish, but it went toward upside from here. So yeah, look at this price action. If let's see if market close below this 15-minute time frame fair value gap, and from low level or 50% of the range, we will anticipate this low, these two lows, this fair value gap, and this low as well to be knocked from the market. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. I think we have discussed everything right now. We have to go for a sleep, wake up at 5 again tomorrow, went to the job again tomorrow, and then I'm actually very tired of same thing, or not same thing. You can say that I need rest. I've been working more than 7 days. Last week I worked, and then this week as well I'm working from Monday to Friday. I don't know if I may go for a walk on Saturday and Sunday as well. So this will be week may be busy as well. And next week, last week of April, I may get 1 or 2 days off from my work. So no matter how it is performing, no matter how market is performing, no matter if I could get a trade, no matter if I am profitable, no matter what, I try my best to remain focused on charts, remain focused on Bitcoin, and however it is performing. The particular time, I have to be in front of the charts. I have to be in front of the charts on 1 minute time frame. Sometimes most of the time my mind is more of like on somewhere else. I'm doing trading, which is bad. This is what I have learned in my trading up till now. You have to be in front of the charts. You have to be in front of the charts on 1 minute time frame. Watch, observe the price action. Forget about everything. Everything is yes important to you, but right now is the most important thing is trading. This is what I always try to tell myself, for it to remain focused, and do these kind of things as well. We'll see how the market would perform today. It's already 6 o'clock. Stock market has closed, and in New York time. So, and we are trading inside this big high and big low as well. We could anticipate from here market will be bullish for all of those highs to this area. From here, inverting this level could be going down to knock those lows this Thursday as well. Anything can happen from this range. Could be bullish, could be bearish as well from here to the Thursday high as well. So yeah, this is how it is. We have done with the live stream, and then I will do a quick shot for today's as a day trader psychology. If you guys don't know, I have the 5 days of live stream and 5 days of five shot as well in a week. We will do in shots. We will discuss about as a day trader what should have your psychology should be. If for example market has turned very volatile today, you should have to accept the fact that if you got stopped out, it's fine. Look for the market to trade on. Did not find any trade, it's fine. There will be days, easy days will be coming as well. So this is more of a like psychologically how day trader should perform, considering the news, everything, events, everything in play. So we'll discuss that as well in shorts. You can check out on my YouTube channel, and then I guess I discussed everything. Uh, Anything else to left to discuss on? I don't think so. and I'll see you guys tomorrow, same roundabout, same time.